Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa. Do you like a bronzy eye? Do you like smoky eyes? Do you have trouble doing a smoky eye? This one you're going to love. I love this. It's so simple and easy. You are just going to go, wow, I can do that. You can do it. I promise you, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I know you can. And there are 2 products on my eyes. That's all I got. And you're going to go, wow, I probably have something like that. Of course, one of them you're going to want to get. Okay, one of them you're going to get. So if you want to know how to get this, you know what you got to do. You got to keep watching. Okay, let's get started. I want to show you how to do this so quickly. It is so easy to do. It's hot and summer here, so this is like the perfect eye look if I want to get out the door really quickly. I've already done my entire face, so that's done. And so I'm going to use a fluffy crease brush right here, and we're going to use the color Malibu in the bronzer. This is so pretty. Now, these bronzers have a shimmer side and then a matte side, okay? So I'm going to use this color right here. That's going to be our transition color. And guess what? If you got hooded eyes, if you don't have hooded eyes, it doesn't matter the shape because this is just really, really simple. A smoky eye is not meant to be perfect. So that's why I like it so much. So you're going to grab some of this gorgeous color. And you can see I don't have too much. And then you're going to take it and we're going to pop it like right here in the corner. That's where we're going. And we're going to basically just drag it straight over our whole entire eye. How easy is that? You don't even have to worry about placement. You just take it and put a wash of color all over your eye. Pretty. And now I do take mine up because I have more space here than I do here. So I'm going to grab a little more. We're going to darken it up just a bit on the corner. And then we're going to blend it inward. Blend is your friend. Now, keep in mind that a smoky eye doesn't have harsh lines at all. So you want to be just smoking goddess. That's what you want to be. So this is so pretty. I'll do this side too. And so you can see both. And just push it right in. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. And we are going to add, I am going to add a little bit of foundation to this. Let me go ahead and do that and show that to you. This is so nice. My dog just ran across the way. He's outside. He just ran across. My eyes were like, what is he doing? I'm babysitting my grandbaby dog. Yes, I love him. I do, but he just kind of scared me a little bit. But this is, this right here is a Jaclyn Hill, like a blending brush. I love it. And this right here is pressed powder foundation. It has shea butter in it. I love using it on my eyes. So we're going to take this color here. It's color Velour, which is like a shade or 2 lighter than my foundation. I have on Eyeliner foundation, the liquid. And so Velour would be like 2 shades lighter. So it works perfectly with my skin tone. It's got a yellow undertone, which I do. I do have some redness in my face, but pretty much I have like yellow type undertones and very neutral. So let's go ahead and add that. And then we're going to blend the bronzer into that. So let's take our brush again, this brush here. I'm glad y'all hang out with me. I'd be so lonely if you didn't. You know, when I do these, I really like to feel like I'm sitting in your, your living room and trying to help you do makeup. Honestly, I hope you grab whatever you have. You do not have to purchase anything. All you got to do is grab stuff you already have and see if this works for you. Now, of course, the liquid eyeshadow you might want to grab because it is fabulous for our older eyes. And I'm 58. And let me just say, the one thing about the liquid eyeshadows, there's no fallout. There's no creasing. And you know what? That's a plus. And they're waterproof. So they're really good in the summer. Well, all year round. I love the fact that there's no fallout. And it's easy to use. So look at that. So there is the bronzer. I think I've gotten it pretty much where I want it to be. Now here comes the fun part. It's the part that changes the whole look. Okay, so see, right now we just have the bronzer. Now we're going to add this. This is so pretty, y'all. And you need a crease brush. Don't care what crease brush you have. You just need a little crease brush like this. And I'm going to put this on my lid. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do one eye. And I'll do the other eye off camera. But I'll do this eye since I can kind of get up close and personal with you. Now, I'm going to put this on my lid all the way on my lid. Back down in the product. And then we're going to take this brush here And we're going to blend this out so pretty up into the bronzer. Be mindful of not going too far out. You can always clean it up if you do. It's not a big deal. Smoky eyes are meant to be not perfect, remember? Oh, this is so darn pretty. I love this eye look. And it's perfect for summer. This would be perfect for fall, actually. And so I take my hand, and I mess up my hand. And I kind of blend out these edges. Just blend it on out all the way here. I don't want any lines. And you see how I'm blending inward and kind of taking it up into that brow bone right there. That's a technical term right there. It's a southern way of saying it. Okay, so how pretty is that? Then we're going to take, I'm going to take a different brush though. I love this brush here. This is a It's Cosmetics brush. I don't remember the number of it, but I always put everything in the description box. So if you want this, you can get it at Ulta. Come take a little bit of this, the bronzer, and we're going to run it right underneath. It's a smoky eye, girl. And we're going to add, I'm going to add this first, and then we're going to add a liner to this as well. And I'm going to use a liner called Plumper, which is like a chocolate brown. Oh, I love it. Okay, so now I've got both eyes done. What do you think? I love this look. It is so pretty. This is my summer look. I love it. Now, this is a color Plumper. It is a chocolate brown. See that? See how easy it glides on? Now, these are waterproof, so these are good to our old eyes. And what I'm going to do, I let my bingo boy back in. I'm sorry. He's going to be walking around behind me. And I'm just going to line through here. And the great thing about this is you don't have to be precise, but I'm going to take this color and we're just going to line it. And then we're going to take this brush that we used to put the bronzer underneath my eyes, and we're just going to kind of smudge it out. Give you a little depth along those lashes. So pretty. And then I'm going to take just a tad of this and run it right underneath here. Now, the one thing you could do if you don't want to draw a line, you could absolutely take this, touch it on here, come right underneath. Either way you want to do it. Or you can add it just like I'm going to do. A real small line like that. And then smudge it out. Doesn't matter which way. Both ways work. Sometimes people are real sensitive about putting the liner underneath. And so putting it on the brush first is always an option. See, we're getting more and more smoky. Now I'm going to take some of that little beautiful color and push it straight up. And then it makes it even more smoky. One more way to add a little bit more smokiness, see, I've done this eye now and I've done this eye. I haven't done mascara yet. Is take and tight line right here. And you can give it a more smoky effect as well. I don't usually bring it all the way in because I have really close set eyes. And if I did that, it would make my eyes come closer together, and I don't want that happening. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Look at that. How pretty is that? This is so easy. You can do this. I swear you can. I don't think it matters about crepiness or anything on your eyes. It's smoky. And so everything blends together. So it's so easy to do a smoky eye versus trying to layer all the colors and blend them all out. This is so simple and easy. Now, we are going to use, I am going to use 4D mascara. We are going to do that really quickly. And I am going to add just a little bit of a light color to the inner corner of my eye. Now, you can use the illuminator for that, or you can use eyeshadow for it, like a matte eyeshadow, something like that. You don't have to have shimmer there at all. I don't really like shimmer in the corner. I do like an illuminator though. And the one I'm using or going to use is not available anymore with Younique, but you can find it, something that's similar. It's this color here. It's kind of like an ivory color, but it's got a little shim to it. You see that? But it's not glittery. And so that's what I love to put in my inner corner. And once this is gone, I'll have to find something else, that I love. But let me show you this mascara. This mascara has Y-shaped fibers in it. It is so pretty. And It makes it kind of look like false lashes. That's what I love about it. And it's so easy to apply. I usually do 2 coats. I do one and then let it dry and then do a second coat as well. So it's so fun. It is. It's one of the best mascaras I've ever used. I haven't used anything, oh my gosh, in 7 years other than Younique's mascara. And this one is by far my favorite. It is my favorite. And I love the way it separates my lashes. I love the way the Y-shaped fibers make my lashes longer. It's just so pretty and so easy to apply. Okay, so let's add benevolent to this fun. And this is that luminizer that I was talking about. I love it. Just a little flat brush like this is all you need. And look how it's going to transform. I'm going to put it in this side first. This is the side that has a little divot in it. And I really like to get the color down in that little divot so that you don't notice the darkness there. I try really hard to do that. And then I'm going to do it on this side as well. Just only in the corner, slightly in the corner. You want to brighten that area. However, you could use concealer if you want to do it too. Also, I just like this little shim. I love it. I think it's beautiful. And this is one of those kind of products that you can take it down your nose just like this if you like to put a little shine there. You could definitely touch the top of your lip and your chin just for a little light right through here. Now I'm going to show you my favorite all-time lippy that I like to wear with this bronzy, beautiful, gorgeous, smoky eye. All right, let's do this lip. I love this lip stuff. Okay, so I have Hottie on right now, which is a lip plumper. It's really good to use something like that. This one has peppermint oil in it. It has peptides in it that kind of stimulate the collagen in your lips, so it makes them plump up and stay plump for a while. You can apply it throughout the day too, but I love to use it in the morning time, and it helps to kind of flatten out these lines. I don't like all those lines on my lips. I don't know. I don't know how you get rid of those, but lipstick makes things look better, okay? Especially a matte lipstick, which is what I'm going to use with this look. Now, this, I've got to go get another one of these. This is the NYX Need Me. You see me use it every darn week. I know it. I'm sorry. I love it. It's absolutely my favorite lip liner, and you can get it in the drugstore. Where did I find this one? I think I got this one at Ulta. You can order them online too, and they come right to your house. So I may have to do that. I'm running out of time. You know, on the weekends, it's really, really hard to get everything done. Now, see how I kind of overlined that a little bit? I'm going to do the same thing here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it in over here, and here, and here, and here. I'm going to leave the center open. Now, we are going to add Minted. This is a matte cream lipstick. Now, these lipsticks stay on. They have staying power, so they don't come off. Maybe a little at a time. The color lasts a long, long time. Now, however, I'm going to put this on top of it, and it's going to really make it pop. It's going to make you want this. So, and don't worry, I'll list everything I'm using. I always do. See that? Okay, there's that. Now, mix it together. That is gorgeous. Favorite lip of all time. It is my favorite. Now, take some Hottie, and Hottie goes on top of it. Not all the way, just in the center where you put the lipstick. It's my favorite lip. I love it. Gosh, these products are so much fun to use. I just enjoy doing this so much for you. I hope you learned something from my crazy self. I am from Alabama, so if you're wondering about the accent, I'm from Alabama. And I live in Wetumpka. So, Wetumpka, Alabama. We're kind of on the map now. We are. It's a fun place to be. It's right near Montgomery, though. We're right in the middle of the state. We have the best of both worlds here. We can go to the mountains and we can go to the beach, you know. Like, boom, boom, within a couple hours, we can be in either one. So, that's really nice. All right, what do you think of this? What do you think of this look? What do you think of the bronzy, gorgeous eyes? I think they're so easy, and I think you can do it. I promise you, you can do it. Try, okay? Just give it a try. I think as we age, we need something simple. And this is simple. Very, very simple. Perfect for summer and fall. I think it's perfect for year-round. I love pink and brown together. So that's why I like to pair it with kind of a pinky lip. But I appreciate you hanging out with me. I do. Come back next Sunday. I'm only here on Sundays. I always say that. Please like and subscribe and click that notification bell. And I'll be back with something new. If there's something that I can help you with, please put it in the comments. I would like to touch on things that you really need to see. Or maybe me try to learn something new. That's always good too. I love to learn something new myself. All right, guys. One more look. All right. Now, y'all all go be fabulous and have a great week. See you later.